Savias, GK answer பண்ணலாமா? Okay. Choose our national song. How many colors in national flag? Which is our national heritage animal? Which is our largest state in India? Which is our national fruits? National vegetable. National vegetable. Very good. Which is our? Which fruits are big seeds? Which fruits are small seeds? Who was the first father of our nation? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? How many states in India?